Azul flawan astmath istma idyusanu karda gassagi akken ad nar ithiغريد fkan tilawin tiyemmatin yumubin araw nsenta lḥabs tmurt Lezzayer tamharsan aqla nemlal bzzaf la colline parlementaire akken ad nini aqla ɣer tama brawnna nissitna ibwina lḥabs igdwid fuq frewwin aqla ɣer tama nwen assa azekka ونحبس ara منو arma teddam dar ma teffɣem ونحبس ara منو arma newwid tilelli
كنت في الفلاوان تنمير ستيميد دو سمر تمليلي تاكي بوساكي إيد نسوجد سيسم collectif des femmes kabyles du Printemps Noir et du mouvement pour l'autodétermination de la Kabylie. أكن تزران من اليد يوكن تصل شغالة ثم زوالوث يمحبساكي يبوين ذي المزيان نعظم مقرانا يبوين على حبس خاطر جارة أسميد نحسي ثمورث ونستنيا يارا يوذافون الجزائريين الناس أقرا أنا نروح سي ثمورث كي نجاريك أيلنا ولداس نجايرا أيلنا هني إذ السبان ثم زوالوث المدرولي لك سي ثمورث ولاد البحور استنيافنا نمشي للبحر انا وياك. Understand the Kabyle language and who are surrounding us and maybe they want to understand what it is about. This is the color that you see here on the flags are the flag of a country to be. It is not yet an official country, but we are struggling in order to make of Kabylia an independent country. So Kabylia is now located in a country that is called Algeria, and we want to break away from Algeria. And we are saying we are making this claim as clear as possible. For those who are struggling for this objective in Kabylia are in jail. So most of the pictures that you see here are political detainees detained by the Algerian government in Algeria, just because they do not recognize themselves as belonging to the Algerian nation, who has been excluding us, excluding the Berbers, from the definition of what Algeria is. They want Algeria to be an Arab country, an Islamic country, and that's it. And we are saying no. In this case, we are not part of that Algeria, so leave us alone, and we would like to break away from this official country. Thank you very much.